We had started with string manipulation. So within that, we had seen some prerequisites of strings, and now we are going to start with string slicing. Okay, so let's start with the class. Yes, so here we are, that is string slicing. So as you can see, so we are going to discuss about string slicing. So string slicing means extracting parts of a string. So if you have a string, you can just extract some parts from the string. As we know that strings are sequences in Python, and because they are sequences, hence each of the elements within that string, they are numbered by positive indices and by negative indices. So you can see positive and negative indices both over here. So now if I just create any string, it will be numbered just like that. So I'm going to create a sample string here. So suppose I'm creating a string over here, like this is a string, right? So how are you going to number them? So we will have some positive indices from starting from here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Even the space will be numbered. So I'm going to open MS Excel, and within that it will be very much clear to you. Yes, so we have it over here. I had already created it earlier. So you can see we have this Hotstar original special. So something, this is a string which I had created earlier. You can see it over here how it appears, right? All the positive indices, all the negative indices. Size of the string will be last index plus 1. Now out of this you want to just slice something out, that is you want to extract some part of the string. So how do we do the string slicing? That's what we are going to discuss. So just write its formula. String slicing. So we would be doing it in this way, that is string object. This is my string object, which is a user defined identifier, followed by a square bracket within which we will be giving a start index, a colon, stop index, and we have one more colon over here where we will be, this is an optional part, that is skip. Right? So start index, colon, stop index, colon, and skip. So what is start index? It's the index from where you want to extract the substring. So it is the beginning index, beginning of substring. Substring means a part of the string. Stop index is the last index of substring, or we can say last index of substring plus 1, because the stop index is always the one which is excluded. If you have already studied the range function, you will understand where we have the start value, the stop value, and the skip value, within which stop value is always excluded. Instead, one less than the stop value is always considered. That is, it takes values from start to stop minus 1, not stop. Right? So here also the stop index is going to be excluded when we are doing string slicing, and skip is the skip value or the step or increment decrement value. Right? So this is the string slicing structure, how you will be doing the string slicing. Now let us start with the string slicing actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a string which is considerably large. So here I'm going to create a string named a string. You can give any name to the string. You can give str also, but because str is a function, although it will work, it won't cause any problem, but it is a built-in library function, hence you should avoid using those, keeping in mind the good programming practice, right? So I'm just going to write this. So I've just created this string and now I'm going to extract some substrings out of this string. So how to do that? A string. Now I'll be giving the start index. So suppose I give the start index as 3, then colon, and I give the stop index as 7. I'll close the bracket. So let's first see what it is going to give us. It is going to give us star. So you can see it over here, H, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So S starts from the index 3. And because 7 is given as the stop index, hence the actual stop index is going to be 6. So 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is star. So these are the 4 characters which are printed, which are selected over here. And the 7th one is a space which is ignored because 7th is the stop index, and we always, and this stop index value is always excluded. Always one less than this value is taken. Next is if I write 3 colon and in place of stop index, I don't give anything. I have just skipped it. What will it do? It will take the start index, that is 3, and it will print the rest of the string till the last index. Okay. And if I skip the start index and I write the stop index, it is going to, suppose I am writing the stop index as 50. So it's going to start from the first index and going to end at index 14. So A is what? Index 14. So let's see 0, 1, 2, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So till here it is printing the string. So this is what it is known as string slicing. And if you write like this, that is a string, and I'm going to write here, say start value I'm giving as 3 and end value I'm giving as 50. So you can see that 50 is already exceeding the limit. This string is not 50 characters long. 50 is also already exceeding the limit. So in this case, it doesn't give you any error message. It only prints all the characters of the string till the last available index over here. But if you try to access any of those, like if you write a string 50, it will give you an error message because string index is out of range. So if I write a string 6, so it will give me that particular character which is there in the string. This way, I can use the for item in collection variant of for loop to extract characters out of it, like for ch in a string. Right now, I'm writing this program code in which mode? Interactive mode. So I'm writing for ch in a string print ch and go back, press enter. So it prints all the characters of the string like this on separate lines. If you want, you can make it like this: for ch in a string print ch, and end you can provide as a single space and press enter, and it will print all the characters of the string together with one space in between. The same thing you want to change for ch in a string, print ch comma end equals, just give an empty string over here and it will print the original string, right? There are different ways of accessing this, so that I am telling you here. I write for I in range len a string. Can anybody tell me where will this start from? I have written this here. Where will the string, okay, I have made one error here. Yes. So where will the string slicing start from? Sorry, from where will the indexing start from? I would start indexing from 0 and it will move up to 1 less than the actual length of the string. Okay. So whatever is the length of the string, the size of the string, for example, let the size be size, it would be 0 to size minus 1. Okay, so this is going to be, and this way, if you want to print the characters, you have to print it like this. Print, you cannot write print ch here because I haven't taken the any ch variable. Ch is not assigned any value. So how can you access the individual characters here? Print a string within square brackets I. Right? So this is going to pick up one character each from the string using the index of I. So let's see that. Just resize this. So here we are. We will write print a string I. End equals empty string. And this is how it is going to access each character from the string. And there is one more way in Python, that is if you want to use the for item variant of for loop and you also want to associate an index along with each item of the list or the sequence, you can take that, like I'm writing here, for I comma ch in enumerate a string. So what this enumerate function is going to do is it is going to extract one character each from the string and also associate one index or ordinal number along with that. Okay, so if I print it like this, print ch, or I'm just writing it like this, a string within brackets I is equals to ch. I've just written it like this. When I press enter, you can see all the characters of at each position. So here I had used I. So you can see the ordinal number, the index over here, and this side it is ch, that is the individual character. Right? So this is how we can do this. This is string manipulation, right? So this was string slicing. So with string slicing, you can easily perform all your tasks. Now